is the wheel and the strut for the small wheelchair. If your button doesn't release right or gets stuck, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. If you call Walkin Pets and ask us for a new snuff button, we would send you a few of these. And now I'll show you how to fix it. Is get some type of a X-Acto knife or razor blade and start peeling this sticker off. It's not going to appear to be a sticker, but it is. And let's just pull it back about this far. The way to fix it is if it's not springing out right, you would take needle nose pliers and pull it up like that. You can also, once you pull it up, or you can unscrew it. And then what you can do is, you see this hollowed out area? You could put something in there like a piece of cotton or tissue, just like at the end here, and then screw it back in, or you could rebend it just a little bit so it pops up better, and put it back in with your Phillips screwdriver. And now it's fixed. And then you could just glue this back down. If the sticker is messed up, you could just cut it right here or call us for a new sticker. And now the button releases when you push it down better.